Sam's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A03s for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy A03 is a new budget phone for Straight Talk. It's available now, first at $9.99, so $80 for this phone here. It's a very nice looking phone, pretty decent specs for what it is, a budget smartphone. It's available in black, and the model number is S134DL. So this is the Galaxy A03s. This is an update over the Galaxy A02s that Straight Talk also offered as well. So this is what the Galaxy A03 looks like. You gotta say, if you take drop notch for your front facing camera there, it repeats above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there, colorful wallpaper and whatnot. On the back of the Galaxy A03s is your triple camera system along with your camera flash, Samsung logo, and it looks like it has like a textured back to it there, so pretty nice. And it looks like it's like kind of a glossy plastic there, as you guys can see there. So pretty nice looking phone. The right side of the phone, like I said, power button, volume keys. And I think you do get a fingerprint sensor on this phone as well, which is your power button. So yeah, not bad for $80, you know. Says introducing the Galaxy A03s. If you value simplicity, Galaxy A03s is the phone for you. That means you get the awesome essentials like a long-lasting battery, high definition display, and multi-lens camera, all in one of our most affordable phones. So they need to I don't know who did this, but they need to fix that. But yeah, if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, this is a phone to check out. Very nice looking phone. It does have a fingerprint sensor and your power button. That's your power button. That's also your fingerprint sensor as well. So not bad for $80. Pretty much standard now. The cameras do stick out there just a tiny bit down the back, so be mindful of that. Specs on the Galaxy A03s, like I said, this is a budget smartphone, but 90 plus LCD display. That is a 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. I think it has a 60 Hz refresh rate, so nothing special about that. 5 megapixel front facing camera, 13 megapixel main camera. Then you get a depth sensor and a macro lens on the back of the phone as well, I think. And I think both of those are 2 megapixels, so you get a 13 megapixel camera on the back plus 2 megapixels on the back as well. 40 hours of battery, Bluetooth 5.0, 5000 mAh battery with fast charge on it, octa-core processor, GPS of course here and there, talk time 40 hours, memory 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of RAM. The Galaxy A03s weighs 6.98 ounces, so yeah, not bad. And what comes in the box is your Galaxy A03s, data cable, and your ejection pin, and that is it. I don't think you get a charging brick in the box, because Samsung is not including charging bricks in the box anymore. So you guys want to provide your own charging brick for the phone. So pretty much bare bones packaging, pretty much standard packaging now. So yeah. More features, processor when you are on the go. Responsive processing speed is what you need. Galaxy A03s has you covered. Display bold and brilliant with a crisp infinity display that's perfect for keeping in touch or escaping into your entertainment. They also need to fix the typing on here, because I don't know who the hell typed this up or whatever, but they need to fix that. Battery, a reliable long-lasting battery that helps you keep going at your pace. Camera, we have crushed some numbers and discovered that 3 camera lenses means 3 times the fun, and that's true. And yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, The Galaxy A03s is worth taking a look at here. It's now available at Straight Talk for $80. So if you guys want a budget smartphone, the Galaxy A03s is here. It has pretty good specs on it. I think it's an Android 12 on it, I think it has Android 12 on it. I think so. Or it might have Android 11. It either has Android 11 or Android 12 on it. So either way, it's still pretty good. Very nice looking phone. Pretty decent specs for what it is, a budget phone. And overall, a nice looking phone. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy A03s. Now available at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It bless me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.